Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Aprilhuesart. Today's video going to be very interesting because today I am going to use watercolors for the first time for portrait painting. For today's painting I am going to use artist watercolor pads cold pressed. As you can see, the thickness is 300 GSM. The papers are really thick. The papers are acid free, which ensures the longevity and preservation of your artwork over time. I'm using washi tapes to create a border around my painting. This not only adds a decorative touch but also helps in framing the artwork once it's complete. Before diving into the painting process, I like to start with a rough sketch to map out the composition and proportions of my portrait. It helps me visualize the final result and ensures accuracy when I start applying the watercolors. And today as well, I'm using the camel watercolor cakes for the painting. Painting a portrait with watercolors requires patience and precision. I'm starting with light washes of color, gradually building up the layers to capture depth and detail in the features. As I continue to paint, I'm paying close attention to the subtle variations of tones and shadows. This is where the magic of watercolors really shines, allowing me to create soft transitions and delicate highlights. In today's video, we will also be reviewing the watercolor papers because I'm using this for the first time. First things first, let's talk about the texture. The cold pressed paper has a wonderful grainy texture that adds depth and character to your watercolor paintings. It's not too rough, not too smooth. It's just right for creating beautiful washes and capturing fine details. One thing I love about this pad is its durability. The paper is thick enough to withstand multiple layers of paint, wet on wet techniques without warping or bulking. Plus, the pages are bound together securely, so you can work on your paintings without worrying about them coming loose. As you can see, the paper holds the watercolors beautifully. Another thing I appreciate about this pad is its ability to withstand masking tape and other adhesives without tearing or leaving residue behind. This makes it ideal for creating clean edges and borders in your paintings. Though I have used washi tapes in this painting, washi tapes are really good for this purpose because it doesn't stick so hard to tear out the page. So let's not talk anymore. Let's enjoy the process.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars
here it is, my first watercolor portrait. I'm really happy with how it turned out, especially considering it's my first attempt. Remember, practice makes progress, and I can't wait to continue exploring this beautiful medium. And now the moment of truth, peeling off the washi tapes to reveal crisp and clean edges. It's like unwrapping a present, isn't it? Thank you so much for joining me on this portrait journey today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more art adventures. Until next time, happy painting!